Hey guys, welcome to Making Snacks with Sydney. For today's snack, we are going to be making coffee pastillas. The ingredients we are going to be needing for this snack are 1 cup of condensed milk, 500 grams of powdered milk, 1 tablespoon of coffee, and approximately 5 tablespoons of sugar. And of course, we are going to be needing a mixing bowl and a spoon to mix it with. I am also going to be using some cellophane for the packaging, and notice that I am also wearing some gloves, and I am going to be wearing a face shield to avoid contamination. So let's begin. The first step is to combine the condensed milk, the coffee, and the powdered milk. I'm going to be adding the powdered milk gradually so that I don't put way too much. Now, I'm going to be mixing this slowly until the ingredients are moldable. Now, I'm going to be shaping the mixture into a rectangular shape and rolling it into sugar.
It's hard for me to say you love.
And for the last step, I am going to be wrapping it in cellophane. Here is the other one I made earlier. So this is the end result, and we made a total of 100 pieces of coffee pastillas. So that's it for this video. I'm ready to sell it. Have a sweet day, everyone. Bye!